Some exciting new announcements for the Linkio software. If you go to app.linkio.com right now and sign in, you'll see that we've automated a whole new component of the backlink analysis. And now, if you add a new site and you pair your Ahrefs, not only will we automatically import the backlinks, but we're also going to automatically categorize the anchor text into one of 13 types, tell you what those percentages are, and tell you what you need to build next to build a more natural anchor text profile. So I already did a few on my Outreach Mama blog. It only took me a few minutes to get these backlinks imported, categorized, and now my team, if they wanted to build, say, another 10 links to this particular article, they would know what anchor text to use next. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add a brand new page and how to start categorizing and see what the system actually does. So I have this guest posting sites article on the Outreach Mama blog. It's an inner page. The guest posts are guest posting sites. So guest blogging and guest posting. How to do guest blogging. So those are my main keywords. Right now I don't want anchor text suggestions, but I do want to import the backlinks from my hrefs, and now I do want to categorize each of those anchor text. So the system will take a few seconds, and as it's importing the backlinks and categorizing it, you'll see this waiter. And then once the backlinks are in the system, you'll see the anchor types are now automatically calculated. Now, some of these may be incorrect based on the initial seed data that you give it. For that, all you have to click on is the Categorize button, and you see we don't have the automated crawler in the system yet, so it didn't automatically figure out what the title tags is. It will do that, but for now I'm just going to use my Mozbar plugin and identify what the title tag is, copy that in, paste it. Now, if I change the title tag a few times during the life of the article, feel free to add it and change it right here. If I have different ways that people spell and link to my brand, you can enter it here in the brands section. Now that I updated the title tag, I can categorize again. The system will just make sure that everything looks good. And now that we have the system, now that we have the categorization in place, I can see what my actual anchor texts are. Now, one thing I know is that this title tag categorization is incorrect because I have been using a certain title tag for this anchor text. And what that old title tag was just this. So if I add that in now and I recategorize, I can see that now it's a more accurate representation of what the title tag should be. So from here I can see what's missing. If I look for some clues, I see that there's a lot of keyword optimization here. There's some branding, but what the site probably needs is a bit more naked URL type anchor text to keep looking natural. So if I wanted to protect the rankings of the site, if I wanted to build more links, if I wanted my team to start doing some more outreach for it, let's say I wanted 20 more anchors, the system can go ahead and just tell you what those should be. Now what we have in the pipeline after this is right now we're just pulling the data from Ahrefs, but we are not auto-validating or crawling or checking the Google index status of any of these links. So what we're working on now on the beta server is we're crawling each and every single one of these links to see if the links are do follow. If they're no follow, we won't count them towards the percentages. Then we're checking the Google index to see if these backlinks are actually indexed in the system in Google. If they're not indexed, we're not going to count them. So based on all of that data, you actually get the freshest, realist understanding of what your backlink profile is and what type of anchor text you should be building next. And the step after that is here's just some default percentages, but they may not be the exact percentages that you want. So we'll give you the ability to create custom percentages as well. So check it out, try it out, give me some feedback, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there's a feature or something that's missing or something that you wish was there that just isn't there yet, and we'll work on adding it.